That lighting kind of hitting today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm gonna start trying to upload videos more often as far as YouTube goes, and just creating content generally speaking. If you don't already follow me on Twitch, my Twitch will be in the description of this video. I'll stream Friday and Saturday evenings from about 11 a.m. to maybe like 2 Central Time, so that you know, more people can watch me and see me do what I do. I'm gonna be mostly playing Valorant, probably throw some racing games in there. Definitely gonna do some Assassin's Creed content. I've been doing that a little bit lately. It's pretty chill, I like it. And if anyone has any suggestions on other games that they want to see, just let me know. I know my hair looks kind of crazy right now. I've been wearing like a headband so I can keep my hair out of my face for the past couple of days. This video, I have a new part for the car, finally. It's been a really long time since I got something for the car. So I went and ordered a front lip. I kind of really just wanted an all black one, like a gloss one, but I ended up finding one that was like a carbon fiber trim. That was what I could find, because a lot of them were out of stock, and I specifically wanted like a 3-piece one. The lip that I really wanted, I couldn't find it. It was on my Amazon list, but ended up, I guess, selling out. So I'm gonna show you here. Whew. Pretty sure our neighbors are like moving or hammering something. They're being really loud. My dog is scared. This is Pablo, by the way. Pablo, say hi. I'm in the office right now. Him and the cat Rory here, they love to come and chill with me when it's just me and them. But sheesh. She's looking good. I feel like it's gonna look great on the car. It's not real carbon fiber, obviously, but it'll still get the job done. It'll look clean, look mean. It's looking pretty good. I left my jack stands at my apartment. I'm at my mom's place right now. So I'm just gonna use my ramps that I keep on me and my low profile jack. So hopefully that gets the car high enough off the ground for me to do what I need to do. And we'll see what she looks like after. All right, so we're all done. Didn't take too much time. It wasn't hard at all. I got that 3-piece thing, so it wasn't hard. I just had to put them together first and then put it up there. It looks pretty dang good. Think about changing these pieces next, honestly. I've seen some cool ones with like the light up here. And I kind of want some fog lights too, so that might be interesting. Maybe change my grill. Yeah, look at that. Fits up there really nice and clean too. It kind of flows with the car actually too. With the mirrors, like it brings out the mirrors. Which is crazy, but I like it. It looks so good to me. All right, guys, so I'm back. I was gonna just do a front lip for this video, but I got my side skirts and rear, I don't even know what to call it. I guess it would be like a rear side skirt extension kind of thing. They already came. I put these on the other night. I tried to do the side skirts too, but I had my car on my ramps and it was not enough space, so I'm gonna try to jack her up and put my side skirts on tonight. I got them right here. They're like really small. I might get some different ones that go further up the car later on, but or something else. We'll see how it goes, but I got these because I thought they were cool and it kind of matches my front lip too. They're not over the top, but these are on here already. They look pretty good. I didn't have my camera with me. I forgot it when I went, but I'm at home now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do these. But it looks like it's about to storm. I don't know if you guys can see it, so I'm gonna try to get this done before it starts raining. Shouldn't take me too long, maybe like 20 minutes or something. Pablo in the car. You good in there? Yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, we're all done. That didn't take too long at all. Still hasn't started raining yet. It's pretty hot out here though. Hey Pablo. They look pretty good on the car. I mean, they're not like super flashy or anything, and it doesn't make like a huge difference, but it definitely does look way better. It brings everything together, I feel like, from the back to the front now, you know. And I made it to where it sticks out just a little bit, so it adds like another dimension to the car from the, I guess, the profile view. But it looks really good. I like it. Sits right out there with the tire. I feel like I have rear camber, like from this angle, but I don't think the camera does it justice. I do want to camber my front though. I don't know if I even have the rear camber adjustability with these coilovers, but the front for sure. And I plan on doing some brake upgrades soon in the future, because I don't like to see this kind of rusted look. I know they're probably pretty good, but preference, right? All in the journey. But yeah, so we got these on now. They look great, to be honest. Came out way better than I thought. They're just some generic, you know, stuff. I didn't really want to go with carbon fiber stuff for everything, but it kind of just started happening. So, but in the future, if I decide that I don't like it, I can always just paint over it black, because it's not like it's real carbon fiber. So, but yeah, they look great. I like it. So side skirts on. I guess I got a full lip kit now. But I'm probably going to be doing some maintenance stuff more so for the next video, and I think one of the next big upgrades I'm going for is maybe an air oil separator or a access port. So yeah, trying to get some more reliability out of the car before I end up going down the track line. Pablo, don't roll in the grass, silly goose. But yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.